Today I am going to escape from handcuffs. Police issue Smith & Wesson handcuffs. In order to do this, I will be using a bobby pin. Some people might have a fish hook on their cap, but to prepare for this one, always keep a bobby pin with you. And you're just going to spread it out here. And you're going to want to bite that end protective coating off. Okay. Then you're going to use the keyhole to insert the bobby pin, and you're going to bend it to where it makes just a little hook, kind of, and then you will hook it back. Okay. You will insert it just like that, and out of one, and out of two. And there's how you escape from police issue Smith & Wesson handcuffs. Enjoy.